Feel the cooling green energy of Nephrite Jade entering your lower back. It flows directly to your kidneys, washing away toxins and restoring the natural flow of life. Like a gentle stream, it purifies your system, bringing vitality to every organ. You are being cleansed. You are being renewed. Your body is in perfect harmony.